Cambodian lemongrass paste beef sticks. Pretty popular. So in here I have 6 pounds of beef. This is brown beef. I just only take the fat and the meat. Okay, 6 pounds. And I'm gonna put 1 cup of Cambodian grilled lemongrass paste. This is garlic oil. Basically, you just fry the garlic and you save the oil. So that's garlic oil. Then I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 cup of sugar. If you want it sweet and savory, if you want less sugar, you can go for less sugar. And then next is the Chinese barbecue flavor. Add that in. This is fried garlic. I want to give a nice garlic flavor to it. Rice cooking wine. Yeah, soy sauce. Yes, it's soy sauce. Soy sauce helps tenderize the meat and give it a nice flavor. So just mix this. Go ahead and clean your bamboo stick and let it soak in water. And then we're going to skewer the meat. Okay, you're going to get beef. You want to go horizontally. Fat, halfway. Nice. Keep going. There you go. Flat. So these 6 pounds make about 37 sticks. So I'm going to air fry this in my air fryer. And put this, see, power. I'm gonna use the one for steak. It says steak for 400 for 6 minutes, and then you're just gonna push play. There you go. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see how it looks like. Let's see. Okay, it looks kind of undercooked, so I'm gonna flip it. And I'm gonna cook it for maybe another 6 minutes or so. Okay. Alrighty. So in another 6 minutes, power on, steak again, and then hit play. Another 6 minutes, almost done. Done. Move it. Ooh, okay, nice. Whoa, steamy. Whoa, it's hot. Careful. Here we go. Alrighty. Look at this one. Put that right there. And there. Nice color. Look like it's pretty juicy. Nice and glazed. Alright. There you go. That's how you make Cambodian lemongrass paste beef sticks. Pretty popular.
It's good.
Good?
I taste the krung.
The krung?
Yeah.
Okay. How about garlic wise? Texture of the meat and stuff.
It's tender.
It's tender.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this is only marinate. I let it marinate for 1 hour only. You know, after the video. So you let it sit overnight. The meat could become more tender because of the, you know, the soy sauce help it tenderize the meat, the oil, and the wine. So you let it overnight. It's even better. Rate it 1 to 10. What do you give? You know,
Since it wasn't marinated
well, if I didn't.
throughout the whole day, it's like I give it 8.
8.
But if it was like marinated all the way, then probably like a 9.
9. Okay, it's fair enough. So you want it more flavor, just let it sit, you know, overnight or so. And normally you eat this with papaya salad or some kind of vegetable pickle, and that would be on another video. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.